Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. I'm Leilani, a chef, a clinical nutritionist, and a super busy mum who's obsessed with having great gut health and still enjoying life. I know that eating healthy can feel overwhelming when life is packed with work, family, and all those other commitments. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be hard. On this channel, I make gut health easy, fast, and practical. I'll show you how to turn your favorite meals, yes, even pizza and pasta, into gut-friendly versions that even your kids and family will love. I'll help you find the best supermarket swaps to boost your gut health and break down the latest trends in anti-aging, detox, and weight loss without all the fluff, and how to eat well without spending a fortune. And the best part? You can change your gut health in as little as a day just by what you eat. I've spent years as a chef and clinical nutritionist helping people improve their health, starting with their gut, because their gut is the headquarters of health of the body, since it controls every system: immune system, metabolism, heart, even the brain. And I simplify the science to be practical for the everyday person because I'm also a working mum who loves good food, so trust me, I get the juggle. That's why I'll show you how to enjoy the meals you love while making them gut friendly, because when your gut is thriving, everything else is too. Your skin, energy, digestion, and even weight just fall into place. So if you're ready to make gut health simple, delicious, and doable every day, hit that subscribe button. And if you're curious about gut health or weight loss or anti-aging, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you want to learn because I'm here to help you. Oh, and please follow me on Instagram. Find me at Chef Leilani for even more gut-friendly tips. So let's do this together. See you in the next video.